Starting with solve numerical, that is 14.2. Its B part. A typical FM radio station has its broadcast frequency 98.3 megahertz. Means here the frequency of FM radio signal is 98.3 megahertz, which is 98.3 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. What is the energy of an FM photon of this frequency? Energy of FM photon, that is energy of a photon. So here we have the formula, that is H mu. This will give me energy of FM photon. Let's write it like this to make it more specific. Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34. Frequency 98.3 into 10 raised to 6. This will give me answer in joule. I want the answer in electron volt. So how will we convert that? It is easy. 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 98.3 into 10 raised to 6 divide by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now 10 raised to minus 34, and here we have 10 raised to 6. So 34 minus 6 is 28. So here we have minus 28. Minus 28 minus 19. So here now we have minus 9. So it is 6.63 into 98.3 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 1.6. Directly apply log. Anti-log of 6.63 plus log of 98.3 minus log of 1.6, then 10 raised to minus 9 outside. Log of only one digit before point, so 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 digits, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 digit, 1 minus 1 is 0 into 10 raised to minus 9. Let's see the log. 66 ka 3. 66 ka 3. 66 ka 3 is 8215. 8215. 98 ka 3. 98 ka 3 is 9926. 9926. 16 ka 0. 2041. Add these two digits, that is 0.8215 plus 1.9926. 5 plus 6 11. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 9 plus 2 11, and 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18. This is 2.8141 minus 0.2041. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So it is anti-log of 2.6100 into 10 raised to minus 9. Now 61 ka 0. 61 ka 0. Mean difference में we do not have 0. So 61 का 0 is 4074. 4074. एक digit के बाद point into 10 raised to whatever digit we have before point into 10 raised to minus 9. So this becomes 4.074 into 2 minus 9 is minus 7 electron volt is the energy of a FM photon. Okay.